You're watching your favorite show and suddenly, silence. Your Fire TV's sound just vanished. Don't worry, it's usually an easy fix. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps to get your soundbar working again in just a few minutes. No tools, no stress, just clear solutions that actually work. Let's start with the basics. Reseat your HDMI or optical cable on both ends. Pull them out, clean off any dust, and plug them back in firmly. If you're using HDMI, make sure it's connected to the HDMI ARC or eARC port on your TV. That's the one designed to send audio back to the soundbar. HDMI ARC connections can sometimes lose their handshake, especially after an update or power surge. So reseating the cable helps re-establish that link instantly. If that still doesn't help, try switching to a different HDMI port or use another cable. If that didn't fix it, don't worry. Our next step checks your Fire TV's settings. Open Settings, Display and Audio, Audio Output, and make sure the output is set to your soundbar or HDMI ARC. Try toggling between Best Available, Dolby Digital, and PCM. Some soundbars don't support certain formats, so switching this setting can instantly bring your audio back. After each change, play a quick test video, something with clear dialogue or deep bass, so you can immediately hear if the sound is working. If your soundbar is connected via Bluetooth, it's time to double-check that link. On your Fire TV, go to Settings, Controllers and Bluetooth Devices, Other Bluetooth Devices, and make sure your soundbar is still paired. If another device accidentally took over that connection, unpair it and reconnect your soundbar. You can also switch temporarily to your TV's built-in speakers to test whether the issue is with the Bluetooth connection or the soundbar itself. If you're still not getting sound, try a quick restart. Go to Settings, My Fire TV, Restart, or simply unplug both your Fire TV and soundbar from power for 1 minute. Then plug them back in and turn them on. This simple reset clears out temporary glitches and usually fixes audio dropouts. Next, check for updates. On your Fire TV, go to Settings, My Fire TV, About. Check for updates and install anything available. Fire TV updates often include HDMI audio bug fixes, so even if your system looks up to date, it's worth checking manually. Also, make sure the HDMI audio output on your TV itself isn't disabled. Some TVs let you turn off audio from specific HDMI ports. You'll find this option in your TV's sound settings. Enable ARC or digital audio output if it's turned off. If you've tried everything and the issue still persists, the last step is to reset your soundbar. Each model is a little different, so check your manual or the manufacturer's website for the specific reset button combination. This will restore it to factory settings and often resolves stubborn connection problems. And that's it. Hopefully your sound is back and your Fire TV experience sounds better than ever. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up. It really helps more people find this fix. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more quick and easy tech tutorials. If you found another trick that worked, drop it in the comments. I always read them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.